Welcome to the channel again. I'm just going to show you guys how to do this is a V6, this Infiniti, this FX35 the 2012. So first things first, the tools you're going to need is right here. You just need a 1/4 inch. This right here is a 1/4 inch, and then you just need this is kind of right here, which is on this cover right here. I've taken this one out, so I'm just going to show you. So you take this guy out of the way, so it gives you access to right down there. So on this car, we have our serpentine belt just down right there. It goes like that, and then on this side, if you see like right here, and bring it closer, we have this belt tensioner. Put things in perspective, this is how the front of the engine looks like. So see the diagram, this goes around, and then what we're focusing is on this red area. This is where we're going to put our 1/2 inch, a 1/4 inch, and then we're going to pry it out. So I'm going to use some tool here to give me leverage. I'm going to use a bigger one with kind of like an adapter. So what you do, you just come right here down, you just hook it up like that. So this is how the serpentine belt looks like, and then you just turn it anti-clockwise like that. Just apply some pressure. You can see from here, guys, when I turn like that, this belt is going to come out from there. Alright, let me just show you how to pull it out. So I just take this out and just take it out from here, and then I can also take it out from right here. Alright, so guys, this thing is a bit hard, so you just use the pressure, and then you just take out your belt like that. You take out from here, and then this thing will come out eventually. Yes, like that. So guys, pay attention to the way it's rerouted before you take it out. So quick pointers, this is how the serpentine belt is rerouted. So it just goes around like that. So in this picture you're going to see it clearly, and then when you're putting it back, you follow this one. Then once that is done, so guys, the belt tensioner is the last. So you just take it from inside, so it comes out from in here like that. Just take it like that. Alright, so guys, this thing comes from inside like that. So you should pull like that. This thing should be able to come out like that. So here we go. This is our serpentine belt is out. So guys, that's how you do it. To put it back, you put it in reverse, and then make sure you turn this thing anti-clockwise. Alright, that's how we do it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Alright.